Ladies, top of the show, ladies and gentlemen, actually, top of the show. I'm going straight across to my colleague Shweta, who is joining us from outside the BJP office in Mumbai. The BJP, Shweta, has much to cheer. The fact is that they have posted their career best performance in the state of Maharashtra, bettering their 2014 tally. And 2014, as you know, was a bit of a wave election. Shweta, I'm coming over to you. Show us what's happening at the BJP headquarters right now.
For sure, let me quickly cut across you to the visuals. In fact, Rakesh is showing you the visuals from BJP office. One can see how the office has been decked up. In fact, the seating arrangements are being made. The huge projectors are being set. The lightings, the flowers, the garlands, everything is on point. In fact, one by one, the leaders have also started to come. Let me quickly move this way and I'll show you how the preparations are being made. In fact, I'll move towards this side where we are seeing that this entire road has been blocked. This leads to the BJP office and the netas of BJP are coming. In fact, we are seeing the kind of arrangements that's being made. Distribution of sweets are ongoing. In fact, we'll also cut across to some of the leaders here. They have come. Kirit Somaiya is right in front of us. We'll see what has actually worked a lot for them. Is it
ask him who the chief minister is going to be? Shweta, ask him who the chief minister is going to be. Is it going to be Devendra Fadnavis?
So one straight question from my anchor, from Shreya ji, who is going to be the chief minister?
The 11.5 crore people of Maharashtra is chief minister, and the chief minister will be from Mayuti, who will work for Vikas and Vishwas.
We need one face, sir. We need one face. Although the answer we had been getting.
We believe in 11.5 crore people of Maharashtra. They are our chief minister.
So, but one face, one name is something what 11 crore people would also be looking forward for.
It is one cut. Certainly, people of Maharashtra says that we believe in Prime Minister. Ek hai to safe hai. So we are one. People of Maharashtra is one, and they will be the chief minister.
Mr. Somaiya, what has worked for you all? The schemes, Ek Hai To Safe Hai, what has worked a lot? Because we are seeing this is massive victory, landslide victory, what we have been seeing, even better performance than 2014.
See the way the voting took place. So there was a Vikas and Vishwas. On one side, people voted against vote jihad, love jihad, then jihad. That's why the percentage of polling in the cities, the corporation, the MMR area gone up by 5 to 9%. Simultaneously, it is Vikas, Ladli Behan, the Atal Setu, Coastal Road is a supporting scheme for the farmers. This all Vikas and Vishwas.
Mr. Somaiya, still I'm a bit reluctant to let you go. We need the name of the CM face because everybody wants to know this. What is your party alignment telling the kind of meetings that would have happened?
I'm also giving only one name. People of Maharashtra.
So you're showing two fingers and telling us one name at least.
It is we believe in the people verdict. The people of Maharashtra will be the chief minister of Maharashtra. The people have expressed faith. Ek hai to safe hai. So we are Ek. Mahayuti is
and who is the face of Ek? Who is the face of Ek?
Hey, it is the Narendra Modi is the face of BJP and Mahayuti.
Sir, the CM face. Well, the smile tells all. Ishra, so many attempts we have given. As of now, BJP is quite indecisive when it comes to the CM face.
No, the BJP is not indecisive. Only no one wants to come out and, say it on record. But Shweta, good try. You did give it a shot. But Mr. Kirit Somaiya is a politician of the old school. He knows that naming Devendra Fadnavis right now will not be a good idea given the fact that there are allies and their egos involved because both the allies have done very well as well. Of course, for the BJP, this is a historic election in many ways. As I said, they have posted their career best performance. Thanks, Shweta, for joining us. Let's quickly go and see what has been happening down south. Ladies and gentlemen, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who was making her electoral debut from Wayanad, on course for a landslide victory from there. The younger Gandhi sibling has taken over the responsibility from Rahul Gandhi, who had let go of the Wayanad seat in favor of Rai Bareli. So Priyanka was contesting. She is leading by over 3.5 lakh votes, ladies and gentlemen, a figure not even her brother could achieve in his last 2 attempts. This now means that all the Gandhis, which means Priyanka, Rahul and Sonia, will be sitting in parliament at the same time. What you see are pictures that are coming to us from Wayanad, that is Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's husband, distributing sweets, obviously very happy. Let me try and... Okay, first let's go listen into what Robert Vadra is saying, and then I'll go across to Deepak Bopanna.
मैं वायनाड के जनता से बहुत खुश हूं और उनके आभारी हूं कि अभी जो काउंटिंग में रिज़ल्ट आ रहा है वो 2 लाख से ऊपर है। प्रियंका की मेहनत को उन्होंने हमेशा, वायनाड की जनता तो उनको प्रियंका की मेहनत की समझ है, अंदाज़ा है, पर पूरे देश को पता है कि जब भी कोई भी दुर्घटना या कुछ भी इशू होता था, प्रियंका हमेशा उनके साथ है, जनता के साथ ही पूरे देश में। पर मैं हमेशा, मेरी पुकार थी कि प्रियंका को संसद में होना चाहिए, एक सांसद के रूप में होना चाहिए। तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि रिकॉर्ड मतदान से प्रियंका जीतें और मैं चाहता हूं कि देश में अब जब वो संसद में होंगी सांसद के रूप में, वो जो भी ऑपोजिशन लीडर होगी उनको वो आंख से आंख मिलाकर सवाल पूछ लेंगी। जो जनता की सवाल हैं उनके जवाब जो बीजेपी छुपाती है, प्रियंका उठाएंगी और जनता की आवाज़ को बुलंद करेंगी। उनके जो समस्या है उसका समाधान ज़रूर ढूंढेंगी।
Deepak Bopanna is joining us from Wayanad. Deepak, I believe Priyanka Gandhi, now it was never a question of whether she's winning the election or not. Of course she was winning the election. The only question was by what margin. So what's the margin right now, Deepak? And if you'd want to speak to some of the Congress Karyakartas who are perhaps in and around you.
Hello. Yes, the celebrations have begun here in Wayanad. The lead right now has stretched to nearly 4 lakhs. That's something that the Congress party workers, the UDF, was looking at. You can see the party flags are out. The celebrations have been going on for the last half an hour or so. I have the Kalpetta MLA here with me, Mr. Siddiq. Big win. You know, like we were just discussing a little while earlier, you are probably looking at the margin more than just the victory here, isn't it?
Yeah, we will win this election around 4 lakhs votes. Undoubtedly clear. We are already, before the counting, we already spoken that.
Yeah.
Priyanka Gandhi's victory with a high margin, massive margin, which ever had in Wayanad, likewise she's victory is going on. You know, the people of Wayanad, the wholeheartedly, with love and affection, voted for Priyanka Gandhi.
This time the numbers, the voter turnout was much lesser than 2019 or even 2024 when Rahul Gandhi contested. Did that give you a little bit of jitters by any chance?
No, you know, nothing. Actually, we have taken the, after the election, we have taken all the details of the voters who have not voted.
Okay.
In that,
Tell him
much
to...
high voters who have not voted is LDF and BJP, not of us. Not of us.
Okay.
With BJP and LDF. Our voters, a simple person, not voted because they are in foreign countries.
Okay. Oh, very quickly, I want to ask this question. What will be the main issue that you want Priyanka Gandhi to address of Wayanad in the parliament in the coming winter session?
Yeah, that is with the landslide issue.
The funding from the center.
The Mundagai and Churalmala, where still 47 people is not identified. The sorrow and grief is still going on. Than the earlier stage. You know, the Prime Minister came here. He visited the prawn area. He visited the relief camps. He visited the medical college. Afterwards, he attended a meeting there at Collectorate.
Okay.
The Chief Minister, the ministers, and me also with the officials attended that. Prime Minister told, you are not alone. We are with you.
Okay.
I am with you. Nothing happened. Nothing happened.
Okay. So that's the issue, the moot issue that the people of Wayanad, the party workers, want Priyanka Gandhi to address as she now gets elected from Wayanad, is the issue of the centre funding Kerala, especially pertaining to the recent disaster here in the district. So, of course, as the celebrations begin, the work has to start. It's a new phase for the people here in Wayanad. How Priyanka Gandhi will fare and what sort of impetus will it be for the Congress party in the parliament, all this remains to be seen. Of course, we'll see that in the winter session, which is coming up in the next couple of weeks.
All right. Deepak Bopanna, we leave it there for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us. Priyanka Vadra leading in Wayanad with 4 lakh votes, which means it's almost a clean sweep. What about Jharkhand? I'm just quickly going to run you through the Jharkhand numbers as well. The BJP plus at 29, the BJP is leading in 26 seats, which means it is a marginal increase from last time's tally. The last time tally for the BJP was 25. The Jharkhand Mukti Morcha is individually at 31, but along with its alliance with the RJD and the Congress party is at 51, which means in an 81 member assembly, the halfway mark is 41. And they clearly have 10 more, which means very comfortably poised to form the government in Jharkhand. So 1 for the India Alliance and 1 for the NDA. That is where the score is right now. My guest this afternoon, I beg your pardon, Rajiv Pandey, spokesperson of the BJP, joining us on the broadcast. Suleiman Mohammad Khan, spokesperson of the Congress. We are hoping he'll be joining us soon, not through as yet. Dr. Naveen Kumar is spokesperson, NCP of the Ajit Pawar faction, joining us on the broadcast. Anish Gawande, he's supposed to be here. He's not here so far. And Dr. Uday continues to be with us. He's had a very long day with us. And he's been most helpful giving us big pointers and big headlines and the big numbers. Because always remember, while this was an election that was fought in every constituency, it's the larger picture that needs to emerge. And a larger picture has very clearly emerged. Thank you, everyone, very much for joining us. Thank you very much. Tehseen?
Yeah. Disappointed.
Yesterday you
Happy
were
that Priyanka ji won, but yeah, disappointed.
Chaliye, wo to theek hai, but yesterday you were very confident. Clean sweep.
You have to say this on TV, but look, I'll tell you. I mean,
that's true actually. What else is a spokesperson or someone allied to a party or a supporter expected to say?
And I was telling JV off the record that it's not looking good. But see, there are a couple of things that I do hope that after this, the MBA and the Congress will introspect. There are 3 or 4 things, if you allow me. The same people of Maharashtra who voted overwhelmingly for the India Alliance in the Lok Sabha elections suddenly haven't become communal. So why is this tectonic shift happen? You can blame the Prime Minister, you can blame Yogi Adityanath, you can say XYZ is communal or polarized election. But the fact is, unless you don't look within, unless the opposition, that is the Congress, does not give concrete solutions to the actual problems that people face, the problems of the cotton farmers, the soybean farmers, etc. Unless you don't come up with concrete solutions and with concrete action that you're going to take, rather than just vaguely talking about an industrialist or about a constitution, which quite frankly in the state election does not really sort of affect so much. The third and most important thing, I thought the MBA should have visibly and vocally distanced itself from some of the comments some of these other religious leaders made, which were also equally polarizing. Going there, seeking their endorsement, getting the pictures clicked, I think was not accepted. One of them got their pictures clicked. He may have won his constituency. It's affected the MBA. So this polarization worked on both sides. But lastly, I think there is a loudmouth that really, really caused damage to the MBA, Sanjay Raut. Even right now, Sanjay Raut has routed the MBA. Even right now, he's blaming the EVMs. EVM can't work okay in Kerala, Karnataka, Jharkhand, and then not work in Maharashtra. It doesn't work like
Let's
that.
get in Sanjay Raut.
Just 10 seconds. I need 10 seconds.
Okay.
Just 10 seconds.
Let's get in Sanjay Raut's bite as well, guys. And I'll let Tehseen finish his point.
Sanjay Raut continuously throughout these elections makes frivolous statements. It does not behove the party. And it does not behove the party. It does not behove MBA. And I think that the reason they lost the government last time is because of the frivolous comments he's made. He continues to make them. He's made comments right now. I think you should pause and think, is it damaging the Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray group, and is it damaging the MBA?
Rajivji, give me a
People like
minute.
him make such comments and it turns off the people of Maharashtra.
Let's listen to Sanjay Raut, because this is disbelief, this is denial and disbelief that was at display today. A certain arrogance as well, actually.
Yeah.
Let's listen in.
मोदी जी हार गए हैं, लेकिन चाहे महाराष्ट्र हो चाहे और स्टेट में गड़बड़ की है। महाराष्ट्र के नतीजे भी उससे ज्यादा आने वाले थे अच्छे। हमारी 4 या 5 सीटें लोगों ने चोरी की है। पैसा तो ऐसा है कि हर चुनाव क्षेत्र में नोटों की मशीन लगाई थी। अरे शिंदे का एक भी उम्मीदवार सिटिंग एमएलए गिरता नहीं, और शिंदे ये बोल रहे थे हमारा एक भी सिटिंग विधायक गिरेगा नहीं। आपको मालूम होगा तो मैं इस्तीफा दूंगा। ऐसा होता है क्या चुनाव में कभी? हमारा एक भी नहीं गिरेगा। ये कौन सा भरोसा है? ये कौन सी है? ये कौन सा लोकतंत्र है? 200 के ऊपर किसी को चुनाव में नतीजे मिलते हैं क्या? जिस देश में, जिस राज्य में सबसे बड़ी बेईमानी हो गई है, इस राज्य की जनता बेईमान नहीं है। ये नतीजे ऐसे दिए आपने कि अपने राज्य को, जनता को बेईमान ठहराया है।
You know, Shreya, when you come back to me, I'll just take 20 seconds. I'm from Maharashtra, right? It's the land of culture. It's where the women's education movement started. It's where the Constitution, Baba Sahib Ambedkar, functioned. People of Maharashtra don't like this language. This language. ऐसा होता है क्या? ये कर दो. This, it's not. Look at Pawar Sahab. Look at all the Maharashtra leaders. Even look at Fadnavis ji. Even look at Uddhav ji. Maharashtra leaders are very calm, very polite. Gopinath Munde ji, Vilas Rao Deshmukh ji, Ashok Chavan ji, Prithviraj Chavan. They talk in a very, it's not, this politics is not acceptable. ऐसा होता है क्या? ये ऐसा है क्या? This is not done. One, it's not acceptable. So this bite shows arrogance. It shows tremendous arrogance. Accept the mandate of the people. Say we will work hard. Now, if Eknath Shinde ji is performed well, he's performed well. Accept it. You can't now go on about saying, now, second, you said money. The biggest industrialist in Maharashtra, the chief of the Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray group, Uddhav ji, is best friends with the industrialist. He's always seen. I'm talking about Uddhav ji and Mr. Ambani. Now you're saying paise ki badchar, you're attacking the other industrialists. Why? Don't do this. Don't think people of Maharashtra, don't take their vote for granted. We could have gone with humility, say we've lost. I'm talking about them. They've lost. Accept it and say we'll work hard. What is this arrogance? ऐसा होता है क्या? Challenge है अपना. What is this? Is this justified? Does it even look good on TV?
Terrible.
Does it look good on TV?
Terrible.
I'm asking you as an anchor.
Terrible optics. Rajiv, you wanted to come in?
Shreya ji, first, I think in last 10 days I attended shows with you at least 4 to 5 times. Whatever I was talking about Maharashtra, that has been proved right. That is first point. Second, Tehseen ji has said in Lok Sabha we won. The Lok Sabha, they won because they lied. They were saying constitution will be scrapped, reservation will be scrapped, and even after lying at this level, a person who is on different level like Rahul Gandhi can talk like this. So even after that, they got only 2 lakhs more vote in Lok Sabha election in Maharashtra. But because of that 2 lakhs vote, we lost heavily. That I agree. But the bigger issue is Rahul Gandhi, the way he is trying to polarize people on the caste line and regional line. Actually, whatever he is doing, that is against the nation. He is trying to create divide between north and south, one language to another language. In Bihar, in UP, in Maharashtra, he is talking about, we will count how many Brahmin, how many Dalits, how many OBC, and then I'll create fight to win election. But the same thing he doesn't talk about. That how many Shia, how many Sunni, how many Barelvi, he doesn't talk. So actually his whole agenda is to become another Jinnah.
I don't have to
like
say anything only, Rajiv ji. आपने खुद ही मेरा counter दे दिया. You are saying Rahul Gandhi wants to divide the country. Now this is exactly this polarizing rhetoric is something that the BJP is also an expert in. Use किया ना झारखंड में, लेकिन हार गए.
Who is polarizing?
So,
no.
As far as polarizing rhetoric is concerned,
listen. Jharkhand,
the BJP, BJP is the master
you have not
of
given
it.
me even 10 seconds. Shreya ji, in Jharkhand we have lost. Once you analyze, you will know there is one new player was there, and I think 6 to 7 seats we lost because of Jairam Mahto ji, not Thakur ji. What I am trying to tell you, let's not go into that debate. I am saying the larger question, because you are more discussing about vineyard, and I am only saying, yes, Jairam Mahto. How does it matter, yaar? You talk, your party leader talks even 2 plus 2 is 6.
Rajiv ji, it was a
So
slip
don't
of
say all
tongue.
these
As
things.
anchors,
What
I
I'm
know,
saying-
हम लोगों से रोज slip of tongues होते हैं. Don't worry.
Yes,
Yes,
congratulations,
I
bhai. I'm just having fun at
Yes,
your
I
expense.
corrected.
थोड़ा तो
No,
हंसने
I'm saying something
दीजिए.
else.
आज के दिन हम रो रहे हैं.
आज तो इनका रोने का मौका है, थोड़ा उनको हंसने दो,
थोड़ा हमें
राजीव.
हंसने का मौका दीजिए.
Tehsin ji, you should join Congress party and may give some sense to Congress party to not divide on the basis of caste line and regional lines. I request you. The reason is what you are talking
Religious
about.
lines पे divide कर दो, लेकिन caste और regional lines पे नहीं
is
करना.
not talking against.
Only religion.
No. We have never done so. No, Shreya,
Acha,
Shreya,
let-
you are not allowing me to complete. We have never divided on regional lines. In
Sir,
Jharkhand, there
what
is a
was your
people who are
entire
infiltrators.
campaign based
We
on
have
in
put-
Jharkhand?
We have put Jharkhand, the corruption was the main plank. Corruption of the government. Infiltrators, the way they are trying to change the demography. How many things
Acha,
you want
theek
to
hai.
know? These are the main issues.
Okay.
Infiltrators are coming and trying to grab land.
Acha, let's get
and,
back to Maharashtra
many
now.
things. So, Shreya ji, just
Let's
Maharashtra,
get-
I am telling you, Maharashtra,
Bhai,
you have
I am
seen.
turning my focus back to
Last election-
Maharashtra, where the
last
BJP
election,
has scored very big. So, matlab, you should be happy we are talking about Maharashtra. Can I just
Yes,
get in
so-
Dr. Naveen Kumar as well, spokesperson of the Ajit Pawar faction? Dr. Naveen Kumar, the people of Maharashtra very clearly have shown with these elections who the real Shiva Sena is and who the real NCP is. That much is very clear. But Dr. Naveen Kumar, ab masla ye hai that Sunetra Pawar is saying, I want Ajit Pawar, my husband, to become chief minister. Then you have, of course, the BJP leaders, and they are coming out now openly in the open to say that no. Look at the score that the BJP has scored, 127. So please, it has to be Devendra Fadnavis this time. एकनाथ शिंदे तो हैं ही हैं, उनके तो पोस्टर ही लग गए हैं थाने में.
मैडम, महाराष्ट्र का जो रिजल्ट है वो क्रेडिबिलिटी ऑफ एनसीपी, क्रेडिबिलिटी ऑफ महायुति को दर्शाता है. हमने एस्टैब्लिश कर दिया कि एनसीपी ओरिजिनल हम हैं. रहा मुख्यमंत्री की बात, तो मुख्यमंत्री हम लोग बैठकर तय कर लेंगे. अभी इसमें किसी तरह का टकराहट नहीं है. इस भ्रम में अब ना जाए कि फिर से चुनाव के बाद ये नया सगुफा पब्लिक के बीच में फेंके, ताकि लोगों को लगे कि हाँ टकराहट है, टूटने वाली है, लोग भागने वाले हैं. जितना झंझावात एनसीपी और अजित पवार साहब ने झेला है इस चुनाव में, ऐसा लगता था कि चुनाव की तिथि के 3-4 दिनों तक एनसीपी अजित पवार वर्सेज अघाड़ी के बीच में मैच चल रहा है. सारा हमला हमारे ग्रुप पर, अजित पवार साहब पर, एनसीपी पर चल रहा था. एनसीपी सबसे कमजोर करी है ताकि वोटरों में ये मैसेज जाए और अजित पवार नाराज होकर वह महायुति छोड़ दें. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. अजित पवार जो फैसला करते हैं उस पर अमल करते हैं. एक कदम आगे बढ़ाते हैं तो 2 कदम पीछे नहीं हटाते हैं, उससे आगे 2 कदम बढ़ते हैं. बस इतना ही करेंगे. आज पब्लिक का जो रिजल्ट मिला है उसको स्वीकार कीजिए और महायुति के गठबंधन को स्वीकार कीजिए. महाराष्ट्र का जो जनता है उसको सैल्यूट करते हैं और एनसीपी एस्टैब्लिश हो गया है. ओरिजिनल यही है और हमारा नेता अजित पवार साहब है. दादा अजित पवार, प्रफुल्ल पटेल.
नहीं, वो तो
इस बात को
नंबर जो
स्वीकार
है वो
कीजिए.
तो बड़ा साफ दिखा रहे हैं, लेकिन ये तो मत बोलिए कि अपनी बात पे अड़े रहते हैं.
ये हमारे
मतलब 1
अंदरूनी
महीने में
मामला
2
है
बार
कि
वो
हम
डेप्यूटी चीफ
मुख्यमंत्री
मिनिस्टर
आपस
बन
में
गए थे,
किनको
अपनी
छोड़
बात पे
दें.
कैसे अड़े रहते हैं. लेकिन
नहीं.
the fact is that the Sharad Pawar faction, who our friend Mr. Gawande here represents, has been reduced to 10, while Ajit Pawar's faction is at 40. So have the people spoken about
Madam,
who they
एक चीज आपको
consider
हम कहते हैं.
is the real NCP?
अरे रियल एनसीपी जो आपने कहा कि अजित पवार साहब एक मीडिया में
अरे
उन्होंने कहा था
समय आपका चल रहा है, बिल्कुल सही बात है, लेकिन अनीश को भी बोलने दीजिए.
हमने पार्लियामेंट के इलेक्शन में अपने कैंडिडेट को खड़ा करके आज शरद पवार भी वही गलती कर दी है. उन्होंने बारामती में हमारे नेताजी दादा के खिलाफ अपने परिवार से कैंडिडेट खड़ा कर दिए. वो अपने भूल पर पछता रहे होंगे अब.
नहीं, लेकिन वो उनके परिवार के भी तो हैं. परिवार तो एक ही है ना. हाँ,
नवीन
अनिश.
जी कंग्रेचुलेशंस. पहले तो ये लड़ाई वैचारिक है, वैयक्तिक नहीं.
अरे उनको बोलने दीजिए ना. आप जीते मतलब आप बोलने नहीं
अरे
दोगे.
नवीन जी रुक जाइए. नवीन
चार
जी.
गुना सीट मिली है तो उनको
हाँ देखिए, that's true. 10 and 40. So he will get 4 times
He will get 4 times
more
the
time
amount of
to
time that I
speak.
do.
हाँ. अनिश की बात सुन लेते हैं जरा. 2 मिनट ही सुनेंगे.
कंग्रेचुलेशंस. ये लड़ाई कभी भी वैयक्तिक नहीं थी, वैचारिक थी. And I think this is an ideological fight, right? I think the reality is कि we haven't managed to present our case in a strong manner to the people, and we have been reduced to the numbers that we have been
इजाजत लेना
reduced.
चाहते हैं आपसे.
अभी the difference between today and the Lok Sabha elections is staggering, right? Not only in terms of the seats won, but in terms of the strike rate. I think we need to reflect upon that. But I think we also need to reflect upon where the discourse in Maharashtra has gone. Why did it need to only get to religious polarization by the
But
end
it
of
wasn't only that, Anish. To
No, by
reduce
the
it
end
to
of
that
it.
is
No, I think by the
that
end
is
of
too
it.
simplistic.
No, but please tell me what the front page ad on every newspaper
there
was
were
on the
also-
day of the elections.
There
right?
were also 2.3 crore women in Maharashtra
I agree with that.
who
I agree with that.
benefited from the
But
Ladki
Shreya, was
Behani
that the
Yojana.
ad on the last day of elections, or on the last day of campaigning, and on the day of voting? That wasn't. So let's be honest that had an impact leading up to the elections. But the final thrust was given by a level of discourse, and I'll say this on all sides, right? I think it descended into purely ideological, purely sort of rhetoric-filled narratives that had no substance. We were not debating policy. We were not debating what the right future for Maharashtra is. We were not debating comparing the two manifestos. We were only sitting every evening claiming this person has attacked X or X person has attacked Y.
My friend-
or this, and I was part of it, so I'm not going to, I take all
But
responsibility
my
and
friend,
liability
that is
there.
Indian elections.
No, that's not. I don't think that has been the tradition of elections in Maharashtra. You've seen far more sort of level-headed elections in Maharashtra. Anyone who's seeing elections in Maharashtra will agree that this is a level of vitriol that has not been seen before. Even in the Lok Sabha elections, right? The level of personal attacks that you saw this election were magnified and amplified. And this is the result of what happens when you split two political parties and have 6 parties playing against each other and a few smaller players. So again, not taking away from this victory, but I think this is a moment for reflection. I hope the batenge to katenge narrative is now set aside. I hope that the message of progress, which Devendra ji has been sort of espousing and speaking about when he was chief minister, returns. And I hope that this becomes a sort of moment where we keep these divisions aside and introspect on this side as well as to why we fail to convince voters.
And you are convinced that Devendra Fadnavis is the next chief minister of Maharashtra.
I think there's a Begani Shadi mein
Abdullah
Diwana, so I'm not going to comment on.
बेगानी शादी में गवांडी दीवाना.
Begani Shadi mein Gawande Diwana nahi hoga.
Sulaiman Mohammad Khan, the point is that you have become completely Begana. And when I say you, I of course mean your alliance has become completely Begana in Maharashtra to an extent where no party even has the numbers, including the Indian National Congress. You don't even have the numbers to send a leader of opposition. हालत इतनी खराब कैसे हो गई सुलेमान मोहम्मद खान?
You're right. You're right. The election results are very unexpected. बहुत ही नाकाबिले यकीन नतीजे आए हैं. कुल यकीन नहीं होता है और उसके बाद भी हम महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने जो मैंडेट दिया उसको इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करेंगे. अभी फाइनल रिजल्ट्स आएंगे तो we'll see what went wrong and where we have missed the pulse of the people. But despite saying this, that we'll analyze. One thing I think everyone will agree in this election, this happens, but this time in Maharashtra, the way money has been used by the BJP and its alliance partners, it was, a filthy display, shameless display of money power being used. Journalists have been telling that money was coming from some, Udyogpati from Gujarat in tankers, etc. And we even saw the General Secretary of the BJP, Vinod Tavade, distributing money, some 5 crores were found with him. I don't know what was the exact amount, but as we saw on the news channel, I can say that. So this was, Shreya, here comes the, neutral level playing field and the role of
Suleiman
election commission.
Mohammad Khan,
I
fact
understand.
is-
Now, if election commission, I'm sorry.
No, no. Fact is, it's
election
not
commission
just,
has
you know,
to-
it just can't be money. एक तो money आपके पास होता आप भी बांटते. That is how Indian elections
नहीं, ऐसा-
are. Indian elections mostly
चलिए
are
आप-
about money only, ना? सुलेमान मोहम्मद
No,
खान.
it's not.
हाँ.
नो इट्स नॉट, इट्स नॉट। आप कह दिए कि हमारे पास होता तो हम बांटते। आपने कभी कांग्रेस पार्टी को ऐसे पैसे बांटते देखा है? बिल्कुल ही जिसे कहते हैं कि कोई देयर वर नो फेयर
सर
ऑफ
कैमरे पे थोड़ी ना लोग के पैसे बांटते हैं. वो तो
नहीं
वो तो
अब
तावड़े
मैडम
जी
ऐसा
फंस
करिए
गए, नहीं तो कैमरे पे कौन पैसे बांटता है?
नहीं, चलिए अब इसकी डिबेट में नहीं जाएंगे, लेकिन ये आप भी जानती हैं और जो लोग इस डिबेट में या देख रहे हैं या जो राजनीति को समझते हैं, इतना जिसे कहेंगे, मैं कहना नहीं चाहता हूँ, नंगा नाच जो पैसे का भाजपा और उनके अलायंस पार्टनर्स ने किया है, इसको भी करने में शर्म आना चाहिए। और इलेक्शन कमीशन को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल जो मैंडेट उसको समझना चाहिए। और इलेक्शन कमीशन अगर ऐसा इस तरह बिहेव करे, या पहले भी मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ आपके शो पे 4-6 महीने पहले शायद किसी डिबेट पे हम लोग थे, तो अभी बाय इलेक्शन भी हुआ है यूपी में। एक सीट है कुंदर की, रामपुर से, जहां का मैं रहने वाला हूँ, उससे मिली हुई सीट है मुरादाबाद में जिले में, उसमें इलेक्शन हुआ है। बिल्कुल 5 दिसंबर 2022 को जो रामपुर विधानसभा में पुलिस ने जो मुस्लिम मेजोरिटी बूथ्स थे वहां वोट नहीं डालने दिया था, मार मार के लोगों को भगाया था। सेम मॉडल रेप्लिकेट किया है कुंदरकी में भी और जगह सीट्स में। रामपुर वाज अ टेस्ट केस, therefore we say that constitution is under threat, therefore we say that the constitution democracy is under threat.
नहीं.
We have lost, we'll analyze, but these cannot be overlooked. The problem.
Sulaiman Mohammad Khan, then here's the point I will make. Mamata Banerjee and TMC have won all 6 seats in the by-polls. तो वहां भी पैसा बटा है.
Karnataka, all three Congress.
Karnataka, all 3 Congress. But here's your supporter who wants to make a point against you.
See, can I say something with all of humility, with a lot of humility? In the Lok Sabha elections few months ago in Maharashtra, when the MVA/India Alliance won 30 out of 48 seats, 30 out of 48, तब नंगानाश नहीं हुआ. आज कर्नाटका में नहीं हुआ. See, who are we insulting? We are insulting the people who voted for us. Na? आज वो communal हो गए. कल वो secular थे. It's not like that. Now, you see, two industrialists we speak about. One industrialist is very close to respected Uddhav ji. One industrialist is very close to respected Sharad Pawar ji. We are in an alliance. I voted Congress. I went to Pune to vote and came back. So, look, what were the issues? Why have we lost? Let's pause. Is it this? I'm not saying that the BJP didn't polarize. What he's saying is absolutely right. The BJP went ahead in polarizing. But for every coin that shows a heads, there has to be a tails. Why did we have these random groups coming up and giving support? We should have visibly and vocally distanced ourselves from those groups. They were making demands. So these things, let's be honest, the BJP set the narrative. It may have been a communal narrative, I'm not disputing it, but they set the narrative. And the absence of a concrete solution to the problems people have, their narrative worked. वो कह रहे बटेगे तो कटेगे, हम कह रहे कोई इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट टेक कर रहा, people didn't get it. We should have said हम सब एक रहेंगे, we'll talk pro, इनको ये बात करने दो, हम कॉटन की बात करेंगे, हम सोयाबीन्स की बात करेंगे.
वो तो किया ना, लेकिन उसका
but we didn't make that impact. So what I'm saying is, let's not. Or then we should have paused back, or we should have taken a pause back and been very clear with, Uddhav ji and Sharad Pawar ji, don't get these industrialists in. We could have put in our conditions. Now in hindsight, we can't blame them. That's what I feel. It's a very humble opinion. Salman's a great spokesperson, but I just think we should now think about what we're doing. And let's go.
I'll reply to you on
Sulaiman,
Sorry, Sulaiman.
this is your own supporter contradicting what you're saying.
And I love Sulaiman. I love Congress. I flew and voted.
I heard what Tehseen has said. With most humility and utmost respect for his analysis, he has his own right. He can analyze the result and what has happened. But Tehseen, to my understanding, about what the narrative has been said, you said the communal narrative, they won on that narrative. I think Congress Party, my leader Rahul Gandhi and Congress Party believe that it's better to lose than to divide the country on communal lines. This is the first point. Second, about the capitalist and industrialists having friends with Sharad Pawar ji or anyone. I think the Congress Party has a core ideology, and more specifically, our leader Rahul Gandhi has said that I am going to work for the most weakest section of the society. Even if I lose, that doesn't matter. We are going to work for the social justice, for the caste survey. और narrative में तहसीन भाई सुनिए
Okay.
करेक्ट, आई एग्री।
नैरेटिव में हमने महालक्ष्मी स्कीम कही 3,000 रुपए महिलाओं के लिए 3,000, ये तो 1,500 दे रहे थे। वो नैरेटिव हमने
Correct.
कहा, हमने कहा हम सामाजिक न्याय कराएंगे, हमने कहा किसानों का ऋण माफ करेंगे, कर्जा माफ करेंगे,
बिल्कुल सही
50,000
सलेमान
का
भाई।
इंसेंटिव देंगे, और ये गया भी। फिर भी हमारे
But people didn't
No, no,
believe
but-
the Congress
no, so
promise.
can I give an
and
answer to
there
that?
lies the
Yeah,
credibility
just one answer to
crisis.
सलमान भाई, he is absolutely right. एक तो बेचारे राहुल जी हमारे मेहनत करते हैं, बाकी कोई करता नहीं। ये एक दिक्कत है, बेचारे राहुल जी लड़ते रहते हैं और प्रियंका जी। But I'll give you another thing. Now I spoke about the Mahalakshmi scheme, and you know, we were speaking about this inside. I'm telling you, my mom, who is a very aware Congress voter, very educated, very aware, and 24/7 she watches politics. She watches Shehzad on TV. She's into politics, right? She's two sons. She didn't know Congress had Mahalakshmi. She didn't know the day I went to vote. She said, "वो 1,500 दे रहे." So she told, because the maids and all had gone, she said, "वो 1,500." I said, "Congress is giving, MBA is giving 3,000." वो नहीं पहुंचा ना. Now my mom watches TV 24/7. Both sides, because Shehzad in BJP. उसको नहीं बेचारी को पता था.
No, it's not like that,
We
Shehzad.
did, our narrative didn't go through.
Tehsin bhai, it is not like
Rajiv
that.
ji is wondering, आज तहसीन हमारी साइड से कैसे बोल
नहीं
रहा
मैं
है?
साइड राहुल जी की हूँ, मैं प्रियंका जी की। बट मैं चाहता हूँ राहुल जी प्रियंका जी आगे बढ़े।
Rajiv ji, go ahead. There's a lot that Suleiman has said quickly
I'll
because
tell you.
Because
I'll tell you.
I want to go to Dr. Uday, and there's a piece of breaking news coming in as well.
No, just I'll take just I'll tell you the Congress party promises people are not accepting because Congress has lost its character. That's the main reason. 6,000 rupees they offered in Nyaya scheme, and that time BJP got 303 seats. You can recollect. So what I'm saying, Congress party, because you know, at one side you are saying ki I will do development, and then you talk about the caste, ki we will create caste conflict. One side you talk that India should become an economic powerhouse, and then you talk about the regional issues. Regional issues. No, don't disturb. I did. You know, you are in the, sir, you are in a studio, I am outside. I did not disturb anybody. This is, Shreya, this is not done.
नहीं, he is also not in the studio.
Shreya, this is not done. This is not done.
Suleiman ji, एक
one
minute.
question, then you can reply.
Rajiv ji,
So, did I disturb
please
anybody?
let him finish.
Did I disturb
एक minute,
anybody?
नहीं, let Rajiv ji finish.
Please, this is very unfair.
अरे राजीव जी बोलिए ना, आज तो आपका दिन है, आज गुस्सा मत
Shreya ji, I am only,
बोलिए.
Shreya ji, I am only telling you. Shreya ji, गुस्से की कोई बात ही नहीं है. Shreya ji, I'll tell you. People have faith in the promises and work done by Modi ji across the country. And that is one that whatever we say, you see, if you want to say, BJP started, put three things in the manifesto like Ram Mandir, Triple Talaq, or Article 370. We did not forget even after losing election. We completed in 2019. We talked about CAA. People remember, whatever they talk, they remember, then they implement. So we have more acceptability. We are not like this. This election, first we became Janudhari Hindu. Then suddenly I become anti-Hindu. Then I want to divide on the caste line. Then I want to divide on the regional line. People are smarter than politicians. Shreya ji, my understanding is the people of India, people of our country, is smarter than politicians and journalists. Even there are many journalists who are doing morning, evening, they are doing politics on being a journalist, talking against one party or another party. I'm not talking about anybody.
No, we should not attack journalists.
Like some YouTubers have that business.
No, here's
only.
the point.
Morning
we attack
to evening.
politicians all
only
the time.
I'm
They have
telling
every
you.
right to
I
attack
think
journalists.
BJP should
Arre,
not
you
talk
are
about
not-
division.
No, only I'm saying
Yeah, I
people
agree.
have
That I agree.
people have
मतलब वही
better
I agree.
understanding. Whoever is doing what, people have better
राजीव जी,
understanding.
लेकिन हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है. सुनिए अब हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है ना. आप कह रहे हैं
What? Tell me.
कि ये लोग जो हैं, ये मतलब they want to divide people, divide people, and then they say they want to develop the country also. But that is also what the BJP does. No, polarize, and then also talk about development. That is how I guess elections are won in this country. But
No, not at
ladies
all.
and gentlemen, as we speak,
We are together in the country.
सुनिए.
But if
At
you
3
bring
o'clock,
Rohingyas, you bring Bangladeshis,
Sir,
you will
सुन
bring
लीजिए.
infiltrators, then we will oppose.
अरे
अच्छा, who is responsible
नहीं तो ये रोहिंग्या और ये बांग्लादेशी सडनली एक मिनट ये एक मिनट रुकिए सुलेमान जी. सर, ये रोहिंग्यास और बांग्लादेशी की तो बात बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन ये झारखंड तक पहुंचे कैसे? जरा ये भी समझा दीजिए हम लोगों को. द बॉर्डर इज मैन्ड बाय हु?
Should I? Yes.
हाँ.
You just give me 30
Dr.
seconds.
Uday, you are
30
coming
seconds.
into the broadcast.
If you can
Rajiv
recollect,
ji,
if you can.
अच्छा बोलिए.
Yes, I'll explain. I'll explain. The issue is, if you remember, in 2012, Rohingyas started flowing into this country, and their supporters did protest in Mumbai
Rohingya
as well as in
Maharashtra
Delhi.
mein aa gaye.
We have seen a prestigious university. People, 1 second. Then I'm talking about across the country. It's not only about the Maharashtra. Why you are talking about only Maharashtra? Again, you are trying to divide. I am saying that is one. When Congress was in power, Congress minister said on the floor of the House that more than 1.2 crores Bangladeshis are there. Now in 20 years, they have become 5 crores. For that, we are trying to bring, like in...
20 years में 11 साल आप थे.
We'll find out, we'll detect and deport.
All this data is from WhatsApp University.
I am saying...
This is all WhatsApp
Oh, I am
University
aware.
data.
This is the statement of the Congress party.
अब जरा
This is the
रोहिंग्याज और
statement of
बांग्लादेशी
Congress
से आप
party.
लोगों का मन भर गया.
अरे
Go
सर,
back to the Maharashtra election.
1 second. 1 करोड़ बांग्लादेशी, सर राजीव भाई, 1 करोड़ बांग्लादेशी अगर 5 करोड़ हो गए पिछले 10 साल में, तो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री और गृह मंत्री को बोलिए कि मिरर नाव पे आके माफी मांगे देश से और रिजाइन करे. रोहिंग्या रिजिजू जी ने ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस का 2015 के बाद सीपी से रोहिंग्या है, रिजाइन कीजिए. अब आप रेजिग्नेशन दीजिए, नहीं आप संभाल सकते बॉर्डर.
You are
इसमें कांग्रेस
completely
की क्या
wrong.
गलती है?
We went to Supreme Court.
अच्छा,
We
ठीक
went
है.
to Supreme Court.
अच्छा, बस हो गया.
And some
अरे आप
some
सरकार
leaders
में
are
हो,
coming
सुप्रीम
and
कोर्ट क्यों
supporting
गए?
Rohingyas. You
निकालो
know
उनको
this
बाहर.
very well.
अरे आप सरकार में हो, आप उनको बाहर निकालो.
Okay,
सुप्रीम
guys,
कोर्ट
we
क्यों
are
गए?
enough of Rohingyas and Bangladeshis on this
अरे,
show.
what is
Okay,
this
guys, हो गया. This is बिल्कुल बेमतलब की बात. I was allowing this because it's a bit of fun. But guys, let's just get back to the issue at hand.
Yeah.
Okay, which is the Maharashtra elections. Dr. Uday has been since morning looking at the data and giving us bullet points and the big headlines. Dr. Uday, at 1:48, what are the 4 or 5 big bullet points and headlines that are coming out of the Maharashtra elections?
Thank you very much for remembering me after 48 minutes. Now, please allow me at least 2 minutes to speak uninterruptedly. Number one, the big headline is, who is not the CM? That is not the question. The question is, who is going to be opposition leader? Because they don't qualify even the numbers
कोई नहीं.
individually.
I agree.
That should be discussed. Nobody raised this point. Had you allowed me to speak in the beginning, I would have raised this issue. Number two, how is the size of this tsunami? Please understand the size of the tsunami. In Mumbai, the opposition is reduced to 1/3. In North Maharashtra, the opposition is reduced to 1/8. In Paschim Maharashtra, Western Maharashtra, they are reduced to 1/3. In Vidarbha, they are reduced to 1/5. Konkan, they are reduced to 1/4. And Marathwada, that's the only savior for them, where it is 60% BJP plus combined and 40% it is opposition. At least at this point of time, Eknath Shinde or Ajit Pawar are not saying it publicly कि हमको बंद दरवाजे में promise किया गया था हम CM बनेंगे. That's the comment I can make. At least all of them are together, and what I hear from them just now, 2 minutes back, SMS received from them, all of 3 will be having a press conference in minutes from now. The size of the tsunami and the depth of the tsunami is
Yes,
so
that
much
is true.
that all the smaller parties and outfits are routed out. Those who left BJP, be it Harshavardhan Patil or Sudhakar Bhalerao, all have been defeated with huge margins. The BVA has been marginalized. Cash for vote, कौन बात कर रहा है यहाँ पे? I was amused. I thought if you allow them to speak more, entertainment shows will go dry because the cash for vote का पहला Supreme Court का केस कांग्रेस के ऊपर था. That is Jharkhand in 1991, and recent judgment on that is comment on that. So they need not talk. No political party should talk of morality in today's politics. हमाम में सभी नंगे हैं. What is more important, madam?
That is true.
Is some of the if some of the Congress leaders trailing behind are really going to lose, then Maharashtra Vidhan Sabha will be actually opposition-less with a strong leadership not appearing there. And that's a danger for democracy. Democracy does not mean it is 90-10.
अच्छा, my calculation.
Yeah, go ahead.
True. Dr. Uday, मेरा calculation is that 28 is the number of seats required by a party to send a leader of opposition to the Maharashtra Assembly, 288 Maharashtra Assembly, right? Right now, the Congress is at 23. I'm looking at only the Election Commission website and nowhere else. Right now, the Congress in the opposition bloc has the highest number of seats at 23. So there seems no chance.
That's
by
what
the
I'm
looks
saying.
of it, Dr. Uday,
That's
that
what I'm saying.
Maharashtra
Who is
will
the
have a
opposition
leader of
leader?
opposition. Yeah.
Madam, that's not a good sign for democracy. That's not a good sign for democracy that there is no opposition is so weak. And Congress, let me tell you, once I interviewed Devendra Fadnavis and I asked him about Shiv Sena people. After the interview, he said, "Inko jhelna impossible hai." Congress aaj realize kar rahi hai. Today, the spokesperson is saying, "Didn't you realize when the campaigning was on, when every now and then Nana Patole was ripped apart by Sanjay Raut? Best is Congress should go solo on their own. They will do much better." They cannot function with ideologically different, temperamentally different, psychologically divergent, completely opposing every now and then. In 4 years, 2014 to 2019, look at the editorials of Samna. They were accusing Devendra Fadnavis. They were abusing Amit Shah. They were ridiculing Narendra Modi. Suppose if you would have come to power and Balasaheb Thorat would have become CM, every now and then they would have done the same thing to you. Would you have accepted that? Somehow BJP could withstand them. It's better Congress for their own performance, go solo. That's the only survival now for them. You are reduced to such a laughing situation.
No, but
you
sir,
ruled the party for 30 years over here and you are reduced to a party where you can't get even opposition leader.
But sir, the alliance is not just at the state level, na sir. This is an India alliance. This is an opposition bloc. How can you say they should go alone? Maybe they are better off there, but you are absolutely right. It's a complete wipeout of the Mahavikas Aghadi. That's the only word that can be used.
I'm saying because
and
India alliance is only in Maharashtra.
We were all talking about the fact that
India alliance is only in Maharashtra. What is Shiv Sena in Uttar Pradesh? What is Sharad Pawar in Bihar? Please understand. This is only for Maharashtra. They created perhaps.
No, here's what I'm saying. Till yesterday, we were talking about the fact that maybe it's the Uddhav Thackeray faction of the Shiva Sena that proves to be a weak link in the Mahavikas Aghadi, but it seems that the entire Aghadi has been weak. INC at 22, Uddhav at 18, and Sharad Pawar at 12. तो वीक तो सभी लोग निकले कोई वीक
opposition leader कौन बनेगा अभी opposition leader कौन बनेगा that's the big question not who will be the CM
सुलेमान जी
yes बताएं श्रेया जी
बताइए अब मैंने क्या बताना है बताना तो आपने डॉक्टर उदय इज आस्किंग यू छोड़िए अबाउट हु इज गोइंग टू बी द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र The three allies will sort it out on their own. He's saying abhi 3 o'clock in a show of jointness and unity, they are doing a press conference together. It's at 3 o'clock. He's saying the question now is ki leader of opposition kaun banega Maharashtra mein? A weak opposition means a weak democracy in the state. It means that the ruling power or the ruling party or the alliance has complete power to do exactly what it wants to do. There are no checks and balances. He has a point.
So this is what the people have, the mandate which the people have given. So the assembly will not have a leader of opposition. We may have a leader of the single largest party, which is the Congress. But if we are the weak opposition, we lost for X, Y, Z reasons. We can analyze after, 5 p.m. or 3 p.m. later today, afternoon or evening. But the truth is, if we are losing so badly that we are reduced to 50 or 55 seats, we'll be a weak opposition. He's right. I agree with him. But this is what the mandate the people have given us. We cannot overturn this. We have to agree. We have to respect it. We have to work, keep on fighting and be opposition whatever strength we have. We may have lesser numbers in the assembly, but at least we are there on the ground, whatever organization we have in Maharashtra. This is what I can say. Now, this cash, etc., what Mr. Senior Journalist who spoke just before me about cash for votes, sir, with due respect to you and your analysis, I respect different reasons for this. But at least this election, I think this is one of those elections where, cash was used as if it is hardly some trash or piece of paper. It's filthy. It's filthy money being
Sulaiman,
used.
the fact is,
Madam,
If
one
you-
breaking
if you
news.
form a
the
party,
fact
sir,
is,
sir,
you
if you
can
form
keep
a party-
saying that over and
if you
over
form a
again.
party-
One
You can
breaking
keep saying it
news.
over and over again.
One breaking news is that
Because
Balasaheb
it
Thorat,
sounds like sour grapes.
Balasaheb Thorat from Sangamner is defeated. Balasaheb Thorat
Sour
from
grapes.
Sangamner
Madam,
is
this is-
defeated.
मुझे सच्चाई
Please
ये बोल रहे
understand,
हैं। बाकी
there
आप
is
मुझे
no
कहिए,
depth in
खट्टे-
opposition leader
मैं-
now.
मैं हार
हाउस में आवाज कौन उठाएगा?
आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम, बट जो बात हमें लग रही है वो हम कह रहे
चलिए,
हैं.
ठीक
हमें
है।
लगता है ये बात है, वो बात वो कह दी. अब अंगूर खट्टे
है।
हैं के लिए कुछ के लिए
No,
आपकी
but I
मर्जी है.
think, no, if I can come in here for 1 second.
1 second, because I have to wrap and take an ad break.
I'll just say one
and
very...
earn some money for the channel. Huh.
I'll say if the Lok Sabha elections and the Vidhan Sabha elections have taught us anything, it's that don't write obituaries for political parties too soon. You wrote one for the other side of the NCP too early. They've managed to make a comeback, and we'll make a comeback too.
Chalo, we'll see.
Madam, last
gentlemen,
point.
thank you very much for
Last-
joining us. The big...
There is
Sir,
a big
sir, वापस आपने आना ही है अभी शो में. हाँ, बोलिए
is
बोलिए.
defeated. Balasaheb Thorat is defeated, and that's the sad news for Congress. The man who could have taken a ruling
Balasaheb
party.
Thorat, senior Congress leader, defeated. Big news coming in. Dr. Uday is giving us a big headline, ladies and gentlemen. We'll put that on our screens in just a bit. For the moment, I'm slipping into a quick break on the show. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining us.